Welcome to Asset Management Insights. In this episode, we'll walk you through the essential steps to build a simple but powerful asset management plan, no matter your sector or organization. An effective asset management plan starts with a clear understanding of your organization's goals. Define what you want to achieve: reliable service, cost efficiency, sustainability, or regulatory compliance. Identify all the assets that contribute to your operations. Group them by type and priority. This helps focus your plan on what matters most. For each key asset, record its current condition, value, and risk profile. This information is crucial for making informed decisions about maintenance, renewal, or replacement. Set clear objectives for the short, medium, and long term. Prioritize actions that deliver the most value and mitigate the highest risks. This keeps your plans practical and result focused. Use a simple decision-making framework to balance costs, risks, and benefits. This helps you justify your choices to stakeholders and regulators. Regularly review and update your asset management plan. This ensures it stays relevant as conditions and priorities change. Finally, communicate your plan clearly to all stakeholders. Show how it supports your organization's goals and delivers value over time. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and comment below. What's the biggest challenge you face when building an asset management plan? Thanks for watching. Remember, a strong asset management plan is a foundation for reliable, efficient, and sustainable operations.